Hey guys, it's Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, I will be showing you how to make gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free waffles. This idea was suggested to me by one of my subscribers, and if you would like to go and give me suggestions on what I should make as well, please leave a comment down below. For this recipe, you will be needing a waffle iron, bacon grease, a cup of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of ghee, 2 eggs, 2½ cups of almond flour, 1 cup of tapioca flour, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. To start, we are going to add our apple cider vinegar to our coconut milk and set it aside for a minimum of 5 minutes. In the meantime, you can combine your almond flour, tapioca flour, and baking powder. Here we are 5 minutes later with our coconut milk mixture, and we're just going to add our vanilla extract, ghee, and eggs. Now we're going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry and just stir it together. Now we're going to add a little bit of bacon grease into both sides of our preheated waffle iron. Then you're going to close it and wait for that light to turn on. And then you're just going to let it continue heating up until the light turns off. Just like that. Now we're going to scoop 1/3 cup of our batter into each side of the waffle iron. When you close it, make sure you do not close the latch. I repeat, do not close the latch. Once again, we're going to wait for that light to turn off to know when our waffles are done. Now we're going to transfer our waffles onto a baking sheet and put them in the oven at the lowest heat setting just to keep them warm while we're making the rest. I decided to serve mine with some blueberries, maple syrup, and bacon on the side, but you can do whatever you would like with yours.
Crunchy on the outside and tender on the inside. Delicious, Mackenzie. Well done.
Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And don't forget, you can comment down below to give me suggestions on what I should make in the future. See you next time. Bye!